फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अपराजिता टेल्स चैनल। सो आज के ब्लॉग की शुरुआत हो रही है। मैं कहीं बाहर जा रही थी और ये ब्लू स्मार्ट की कैब है जो बुक की थी हमने। तो ये जो ड्राइवर हैं बहुत ही अच्छे थे, बहुत ही कर्टियस और काइंड थे और ग्रीटिंग्स और एनर्जी में बहुत पॉजिटिव थे। तो नॉर्मली कई बार होता है कैब में आपको ड्राइवर्स अच्छे नहीं मिलते, मेरे लिए बहुत इरिटेटिंग हो जाता है, स्पेशली टू मच एटीट्यूड या अदरवाइज़ आप कैब सर्विसेज उठा रहे हैं। तो बट हाउएवर ब्लू स्मार्ट की सर्विसेज मैंने देखी बहुत अच्छे। आई होप कि जल्द ही गुड़गांव में भी आ जाए। तो आई रियली इन्जॉय ब्लू स्मार्ट। तो इन भैया की मैंने वीडियो बनाई बिकॉज ही वॉज रियली वेरी नाइस। एंड और ये फर्दर हाँ, हम जा कहाँ रहे हैं, राइट। सो लाइक जब आप प्लेन एरिया की बात करें जैसे कि दिल्ली, गुड़गांव, दे आर नंबर ऑफ़ सोशल प्लेसेस दैट यू कैन विज़िट। आप अगर एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं, यू कैन गो आउट फॉर डाइनिंग, ईटिंग, एनीथिंग दैट यू लाइक। सो कहीं डाइनिंग के लिए वी आर एक्सप्लोरिंग अ प्लेस, so that is a bit far away from the place where we live, so I'm so excited to go there. Or yeah, I was ready but it was too humid, and this is what the road looks like, a bit of a distance. So in between I was just shooting across. I've done it number of times, the shooting part of Gurgaon area, and anybody who stays in Gurgaon must be knowing this route. So finally we are planning to reach out the location, which is Cyber Hub. So it's a corporate park of a thing where you will find number of stuff, like there are entertainment places, there are restaurant, there are dine out spaces, there are recreational spaces, there are number of things that you can find in Cyber Hub. And the every time I'm going to this place, I just find energy here too contagious of people coming from different mindsets. Some people are just there to chill, some just want to eat all those stuff, and it's really so. आज मैं थोड़ी अंदर की शूटिंग कर रही हूँ। अक्सर मैंने बहुत तेज़ी में शूटिंग की है, तो आज मैंने सोचा मैं आपके लिए कुछ, खैर इस एरिया में शूटिंग अलाउड नहीं थी तो वो गार्ड ने मुझे मना ही कर दिया था। तो स्ट्रेट अवे हम एंटर करते हैं, एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट दिस प्लेस लुक्स लाइक। लॉट ऑफ बिल्डिंग्स हेयर एंड देयर, डाइनिंग आउट एरिया. So to begin with, you can move straight to place eat out, or you can take a round. So I really like roaming around this place. So there are number of restaurant and dine out places, like I said. So there is this Burma. Last vlog I think Taco Bell is there. Then there is Social, right? So there are number of dining, and there are endless number of it. This is a place where you can sit, do your work, whatever you like. If you like a peaceful zone, उस तरह की space. And these are like offices, Deloitte offices there, and other offices are here in this. So it's a corporate park with a lot of activities coming together, and then you can see in front there. So I really like this concept of Cyber Hub. So lot many time I have not come across like such places. To be honest, this is the first time I'm coming across something like Cyber Hub. I've not seen a combination of corporates, houses, along with the entertainment and every other stuff. And you will find all the generations, like the youngsters, the old people, the middle-aged people, everyone is enjoying here. It's a good recreational space, and if you are like trying to find out what to eat, like you can see there's a chai point. There is also beauty product shops like Forest Essentials. Then there is Uniqlo, and this side you can see is a space to walk, and you can do a number of activities here. It's actually a huge space that they have taken, and you can see people are sitting just on stairs doing their stuff. So we were walking around. Like I said, I like walking around this space. It was a bit humid, so humidity means a lot of sweating for me, so I'm sweating like anything. But like I said, nothing comes at the cost of the sweat hona chahiye. So we decided to eat something Chinese, Yumi. So they were giving this some offers that you rotate this one and you get that offer. And this is what this place looks like when you look at it. It's a very beautiful place with nice. It's one of the places where you can have the best Japanese food. So we decided to explore like a Japanese food, something like sushi or ramen. And since it's the best, so we decided to park in here. And we sat down. I mean, I liked the way the interiors were done, and finally we started exploring the menu card. Like I said, I was very clear to have some sushi and a bit of a ramen. That was what was in my mind when I was entering this place. And like I am doing it in the menu card, you can see. I'm just trying to figure out if I can get sushi instead. It took a lot of time for them to prepare. In the meanwhile, while the preparation was done, and like I said, took a lot of time for them to make this stuff sushi and the ramen, and that's it. मैं खाने की वीडियो बनाना भूल गई, बट यही आज के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई ब्लॉग.